My name is Brett Tanner. I'm the president and founder of Pinnacle. We started Pinnacle in 1999. Our mission is kind of how we got started. The mission we have now is how can we provide the tools for our customers to be as successful as possible. Now, what does that mean? That means kind of with the attitude of how can I help?
It's a real family-driven, close-knit culture we try to have amongst ourselves with customers. Anything we can do, we're always willing to go the extra mile to make what's right for the customer.
It's doing the right thing, always being able to take care of our customers, whether it be in the sales side, the service side, or the parts side.
We want to be the dealer of choice for what our customers need, right? Whether it's selling them a trailer, whether it's selling parts, whether it's servicing their trailer, whether it's renting them something or leasing them something, or just helping them solve problems. We want to be the place of choice they call in their transportation needs.
We have all sorts of different trailers to offer a customer, whether it be the construction side, forestry side, agricultural side, the heavy haul side. We've got the right trailer for the right haul right now. Each facility we have is equipped with at least 6 bays to service every manufacturer that we sell.
We do anything from big wrecks to small tarp jobs. We go as far as rebuilding the trailer from top to bottom. I mean, we've done it all here.
If we're dedicated to serve, right, then first of all, we need to listen. We need to sit down and listen to you, figure out what you need, and then respond in a quick manner to get your problem solved. Our customer base knows when they call us, we call them back. And if they have a problem, we fix it. And so when you build those relationships over years, you build trust. And if our customers truly value us down the road and say, you know what, when I go into Pinnacle, I feel like they take care of me. I feel like they care about what's going on in my life. I feel like they care what's going on in my business. I feel like they really, again, have the attitude of how can they help me. And that's what we want our customers to feel like.